Hi folks, welcome to Solara Technical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we at Solara Technical go about sizing a complete power system. In my last video, I summarized ELTEC's, now Delta's, DD600 distribution panel. The link's at the end of this video. The first step in defining any power system is to know what you're powering. You'll need to know the voltages required and their polarities. It's not uncommon for a typical power system to supply multiple voltages. Power systems are defined from their outputs backwards. So we'll need to know the total current draws for each output voltage. Care must be taken when calculating all loads. Adding up the maximum power for each load will usually oversize the power system and increase its costs. Be sure to account for any future growth though. Modular systems make it very affordable to initially deploy additional empty power slots and battery attachments. Then, you need only pay as you grow by adding power modules and battery strings if and when they're needed. If you need to add battery backup, what percentage of the load do you want protected? If less than 100%, do you want a load shedding feature like a low voltage load disconnect? Usually, not every load is critical. How much time do you want the batteries to hold up the load? 2 to 8 hours is typical. You may need a fuel cell or a generator for times in excess of 8 hours. Such devices can easily provide many days to many weeks of power. How long will you allow for the complete recharge of the batteries? 24 hours is typical, and this recharge current needs to be included as an additional load. What number of load circuits do you want in the distribution? If batteries are used, do you want battery distribution? And for these distributions, do you wish to use breakers, fuses, or both? And of what size? Once we've answered these questions, we need to know about the environment the power system will be deployed in. Extended temperature, as in outdoor cabinets, or controlled temperature, like in a data center. Front or rear wire configuration, 19-inch or 23-inch wide racks. Will the mounting be mid, flush, or wall mount? What voltages and amperages of AC circuits are available to power the system? Systems can have one AC input per rectifier slot, or one per 2 rectifier slots, or one for the entire shelf of rectifiers. If you have batteries, do you want a low voltage battery disconnect or only a shunt? Once we have answers to all of these questions, we'll suggest several power system families for your consideration, pointing out the pros and cons of each. If you'd like help picking a power system, give us a call. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.